here. So this is a video on how to set up your HAAS settings, which is very important because we've disabled some settings on there so that the tuner can run more efficiently. It doesn't have to always default into the bot analyzer. It will just tune and keep going. So this is how you need to do this. What you want to do is go over the settings here and go down to your keep clicking around things, settings, and then you want to go over to here. Make sure activate all bots on startup. Open interface on startup is yes. Auto logout time, just put a bunch of 9 so it doesn't keep logging you out, and save that. Applied backtesting method, closing base price. Actually, there should have been this. Let's go with that. Save that. And then backtest result option, do nothing. Normally it's open trade log or bot analyzer performance view. Make sure this is do nothing, and then save that. Okay. And then load bot charts automatically. Maximum order book refresh rate. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, that's fine. I don't think you can probably go lower. If you can, let me see. Does it let me? I guess so. Let's go with 1. Faster is better. Alright, so let's go then with security. Let me look at some other things, make sure everything's good. Make sure you have your Google Authenticator set up too. That's important if you're going to be doing videos to talk about your portfolio and managing other people's portfolio on YouTube. I'll have a section on how to market and kind of vouch for business. Okay. Hosting, this is important if you want to be able to log in from a different browser. Make sure this is not grayed out but actually dark. Okay, this is your host IP address, so don't use mine, use yours that you have based on your computer remote desktop IP address, and then the way you set up your port numbers, whatever that is, and hit save for that. Now same thing for local API address, which we need to grab local market data for each coin. So when we go into 24/7 trading, it calculates the trade amounts automatically, but we need to be able to pull market data. So to do this, the same thing, use your IP address. The local API port needs to be different, so something different from what your hosting is. So I just put 9088, and I don't know why I chose 60, but somehow I chose 60. And then just give yourself a an API key, just a password that you can remember. Something simple, I guess, or maybe complicated, but just write it down somewhere and then hit save for that. Let's see if there's anything else. Trade server settings, login notifications. I think these are make sure these notifications are there because it does monitor certain notifications that pop up. And if I disable any in the future, I'll let you guys know. But Discord notification, I didn't know you could do that. Interesting. Well, this is definitely coded no, so that you can get notifications on Discord. I don't know how to set this up yet, but there's probably some guides here so you can see if what bots are buying, selling, and stuff like that. Might be some good interesting ideas where I could have bot notifications and you guys can start trading, or they can share. I don't know, that'd be good, interesting. Okay, that's new to me here, so make sure this matches because that's what I have. Nothing here. I don't have email providers to email myself. Click emails, make sure you're logged in. Alright, there's that. Also make sure you're always using the latest beta version. Okay, and all the latest beta versions should work with the tuner. If it breaks anything, just let me know and I'll look into it once it updates. And I think that's pretty much it. So there it is, guys. That's the setting that you need to set up before you start running the tuner. Okay, thank you.